Okay, industry sector will be mechanical goods. IT, select use levels. Okay, this is 100 rating data, fuel data, sales data, zero. Okay, no tax, sales organization data. Material price group, plant data, availability check will be 0, 1. What is availability check? This can be asked in interview. To press F1 will give you the details. Specify whether and how the system checks availability and generates requirements for material planning. In flexible planning, it defines together with its checking rule the different MRP elements that make up this key figure. Some of these elements, the key figure. It's basically used for material planning availability, which MRP elements, for example, purchase order reservations, the system includes and availability check. Whether the system checks availability only until end of replenishment, lead time, whether it checks availability over the entire period for which MRP elements are used, whether the system generates individual requirements or summarized requirements, sales orders or deliveries for the material. Okay. Okay, 0, 1 and transportation group. Loading group, this is for shipping. MRP1, MRP basically is material requirement planning. And 0, 3, 1 MRP status PD, which is available for or subject to material requirement planning. MRP controller is a person who will be running the MRP. Minimum lot size, fixed lot size, maximum lot size, maximum stock level. 2, the lot sizing is basically lot for lot. EX is the code for lot sizing. Okay. Okay. MRP2, in-house production 1 day, GR processing 1 day, plant delivery time 1 day, and MRP3,